All right, time to take a look at the Air Duster. So we do have a small instruction manual, and it does come in a bag, which is kind of cool. That's pretty cool. I think that they got that covered so it's not going to accidentally turn on. But there's a USB-C port in the back, so that's going to be where we charge it. And that is the guy. Like, it's pretty simple. I'm just going to press the button. That's pretty cool. Wow. That thing's putting out some air. Jeez, that was just a level 1. Whew. That thing puts out some serious air. Okay. So, oh, that's cute. So it comes with some gloves. These actually have a kind of a rubber texture on the bottom. It's neat. We got a brush nozzle, so if you want to make contact with the surface while you're cleaning it off, and this will help you out with that. Yeah, it just kind of pushes right in. Then we got a physical brush and a spatula, so that's cool. So we got a whole mess of brushes here. So this is a full-on detailing kit. Like, I did not expect all that. That's actually pretty cool. We even got some plastic tweezers. And this is the charging cable. This is USB-C to USB-A. And then we got 5 different nozzles. So we got this nice long reach one right here. So if you want to be able to get this thing back a little ways, you can do that. And then we have this smaller nozzle right here. So it has a reducer on the end. So if you want to reduce the amount of flow that's going to be going in, if you're going to be working on delicate equipment, use this. Then we got this larger nozzle, so it's going to have a lot more flow on this guy. We of course got this brush nozzle, and then we have this very small, this is an interesting nozzle. So you can see it blocks off the tip, but then it pushes out the side. So this is going to be really for super fine detail work, where you got to be real careful that you're not going to be damaging anything. It could also be really cool if you just want to clean the sides of something. So if you want to put this in a tube, you can make that happen. Or get around like a valve or an angle or something like that. So yep, this has way more in it than I was expecting, and I really love the amount of volume that this thing actually pushes out. This is a very strong little duster. Yeah, this thing doesn't hold back. Very cool.